Right now, you might feel stuck, caught in the quiet space between who you were and who you are becoming. It's a place of uncertainty, a vast, misty valley where the path forward isn't clear. You can see the person you want to be on a distant shore, but the way across feels impossible. But you're building a bridge, even if you can't see it yet. Think of two great mountains, separated by a chasm. One is your past, the other your future. When someone starts building a bridge between them, it looks like nothing. A single plank, a handful of nails, the quiet work of one person. Each small action seems insignificant against the scale of the void. People walk by. Some might laugh, others will doubt. They'll say, "Why bother? The gap is too wide." Their voices can echo your own fears. But the builder keeps working. And one day, the final piece is placed. Suddenly, everyone sees the bridge. They see the connection, the path. They see what you saw in your mind's eye long before they did. Your journey is the same. Every small daily effort, every choice, every lesson, every quiet moment of discipline is another plank laid. Daily effort becomes progress, and steady, consistent progress becomes transformation. The work you're doing right now matters, especially when it feels invisible. It is the foundation, the hidden structure that gives your bridge its strength. You're building something the world, and maybe even a part of yourself, will only understand when it's complete. So don't stop building. Trust the process. Trust the vision only you can see. Your bridge will carry you farther than you can imagine, to a place you've earned. We take this journey one day, one plank, one breath at a time. I return here often with calm reminders like this, moments to pause, breathe, and find strength again. Know that you're not alone on this path. You're always welcome to come back.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.